Yeah, let's quickly start the vertebrae. See, there are 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, and 5 lumbar vertebrae. Now, the basic point of a differentiation between the three types of vertebrae. Now, cervical, the spinous process. See, this is the spinous process, and these two are the transverse process. That's a basic concept. The spinous process is bifid in case of cervical vertebrae. Bifid, okay. Cervical is bifid, okay. And cervical vertebrae, the spinous process is bifid, okay. Now the major difference which you can easily tell, this is small body, okay. Here the body is large, okay. Lumbar vertebrae body is large and cervical vertebrae body is small. That is one more difference. Now after that, now you look into the transverse process. The transverse process has got two holes, okay. They are called as foramen transversarum. They are called as foramen transversarum. So you already got the 3 points about cervical vertebrae. That is, the spinous process is bifid, the transverse process has got a foramen called as foramen transversarum, and the body is small. These are the basic 3 points of differentiation for cervical vertebrae. Next, coming to the thoracic vertebrae. In thoracic vertebrae, see, thorax, there are ribs. So definitely, where are the coastal faces found? Coastal faces should be found in the thoracic vertebrae. So there is a point of differentiation for thoracic vertebrae. The coastal faces are found in thoracic vertebrae. And second thing is the spinous process is, see, in cervical, the spinous process is straight backward. See, it is down. It is down. Okay, so it is spinous process is projecting inferiorly in case of thoracic vertebrae. And the last one is lumbar vertebrae. I already told you the body is very large and the spinous process is very short. Look at this spinous process, it is very small spinous process, okay. So there are 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar vertebrae, okay. Of point of identification for cervical vertebrae is the spinous process is a bifid, and there are foramens in the transverse process, and they call it foramen transversarum, and the body is small. And second, thoracic vertebrae, thorax is related to ribs, so coastal faces are found in thoracic vertebrae, and the spinous process is projecting inferiorly, okay. And in the lumbar vertebrae, there is a large body and a short spinous process. Got it right? Now after that, you see there are C1, C2, C6, and C7. You need to know some important points about this. C1 is atlas, C2 is axis, okay. C1 is yes type of movement, C2 is no type of movement, and C1 is having lateral mass, okay. C2 is not having lateral mass. Instead of that, there is a dense or odontoid process, okay. Dense process or odontoid process, okay, is found in the C2, okay. So it is atlas, axis, yes, no, lateral mass, and odontoid process or dense process, okay, that is found in C2. Now C6 has got Chassagne tubercle, which we all know is with the common carotid artery. Chassagne tubercle with common carotid artery, that is in C6, and in C7. In C7, one important feature you have to know about C7 is about the prominent spinous process. Okay, C7, one important feature is prominent spinous process.